In this video, we'll show you how to verify your Rainbet account. By the way, you can create an account on Rainbet and start playing and withdrawing money without a verification and KYC. But if you want to increase your deposit and withdrawal limits, of course, and if you want to verify your account, I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile icon in the top right, and right here in this menu you need to go to verification. And when you go on this page, you will see this section right here. It's called verification, and as you can see, verification includes 4 levels. In the first level, you need to enter your just regular personal information, your first name, last name, date of birth, and other information. After the first level verification, you need to go on the second level. Right here, you need to upload your ID. So this is just regular selfie ID verification. After you will do it, you can go on the third step, which is proof your address. You need to upload the documents to verify your existing address, and then you can move on the next step, which is source of income. You need to upload your source of income, guys. That's all of the steps of the verification, but at the moment the regular account is enough for me. But if I need to increase my limits, I can do the level 2 and level 3 verifications. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.